Hey guys, what's up? We're out here at our next job site. Just wanted to walk you through what we got going on. Brand new backyard, existing client, they just moved, they had a pond, they love it, they're living that lifestyle and they're not giving it up. So we're gonna upgrade to a complete aquascape ecosystem pond. It's gonna be a pretty good sized pond, we're excited for it. It's gonna be 16 by 30. We're gonna have a wetland filter, we're gonna have a secondary stream, a nice stone bridge. So back in here behind me, we're gonna have that nice berm, and then right over here, wetland filter. Then all of this is that pond look. I'm super excited about this. We're gonna bring that pond right up underneath that deck, and it's gonna be sweet. So as they're standing on the deck and they look down, it's just gonna look like that pond goes forever underneath of them. Here's the wetland. That's the shape, that's kind of the hardware that we'll be doing. So we're gonna start digging this hole and getting gravel filled with it real quick. So what we got going on here is, because this is all such hard clay, we're gonna do an under pond drain. Here we'll have a tile system right under here. We've actually, once excavation's done, this whole pond is gonna kind of drain down into here, and then we'll put a standpipe back in here in this deepest part in the back. So then we can relieve that hydrostatic pressure under the pond. This super black stuff in here, the machine's barely chipping away at it, but I mean, everything drains back this way. After checking out the gutter situation and everything, we got one here, and then the whole top part of the front end also is all coming off those twos. This is how we do it. This is how we do it. Oh, jinkies, there it goes, it's leaving. You got a 45 by 25 liner going in. Weighs about 1/3 of a pound per square foot. I'll let someone smarter than me do the math, but it ain't light. That was a mess. Hashtag not worth it. 40 to go. Let's just get her close to the edge. Okay. 90 seconds so far of us moving this rock 4.5 feet. We're going right there. Big rocks win every time. Great news, guys. No rocks were harmed in the building of this pond. Just fingers. Hey guys, what up? It's Will out here. Just wanted to give you a progress update on our ecosystem pond we're doing. Again, it's a 16 by 30 foot pond, so it's a good size feature. We're battling rain. We got about 5 inches of rain since Friday last week, over Labor Day weekend. So we're slowing down a little bit, but you know what? It's not gonna stop us. We like playing in the dirt. That's kind of why we do what we do. We like this type of stuff. You can see here's our pond. That's where the waterfall and wetland are gonna be. Coming in, wrapping around. That's where a skimmer is. That's our underground drainage. John, what are you doing? Why? So this is number 2, and this is number 3 on the big holes in this 25-foot roll of liner that we found. We found one on the, I guess it's right over here actually. We found that one doing the pond liner, and these two doing the wetland. roll out. These ridiculous glasses, there's what giving you all the cool shots for this video. So if you see me, you want to ask me why I'm wearing such ridiculous sunglasses, I'm probably just gonna click a button and record your reaction.